Welcome! This video contains some amazing facts about super long life lighting. Stay tuned and learn how you can save up to 70% on your lighting costs. The Super Long Life brand is a result of 12 years ongoing product development. You can benefit from our massive R&D investments, as these have recently enabled us to introduce the concept of guaranteed savings. An advanced savings calculator gives you unparalleled transparency, as it accurately predicts and tracks the direct and hidden costs of operating your lighting system. Ask your SLL dealer for more information and benefit from our unique Guaranteed Savings scheme. If guaranteed savings do not convince you, then let us shed some more light on the super long life concept and enlighten you with 3 bright facts. 1. Lifetime. The key proposition of super long life lighting is an extreme prolonged lifetime. A standard light tube offers 8,000 to 12,000 hours of light. Meanwhile, super long life offers 40,000 to 60,000 hours. The long-lasting durability allows you to reap substantial savings over the long run. 2. Light retention and energy savings. Look at this graph. The x-axis indicates the lifespan of a light tube, and the y-axis indicates the light strength as emitted by a light tube. A standard light tube quickly loses light strength. The lumen output often becomes unacceptably low after as little as 6,000 to 8,000 hours of consumption. To perceive the full effects of a slow gradual loss of light, an anchoring point is needed. Let us give you a point of comparison. This light bulb represents the output of your standard tube after 5,000 hours of consumption. And now let us turn on a bulb that reflects the output of a super long life tube. The difference is clear, but it does not actually represent the whole story. Let us revisit the graph that depicts the performance of a standard light tube. See now as the life cycle of a super long life light tube is drawn. Notice how the super long life tube emits 30% more light at the onset, and then see how well it manages to retain the majority of the original light strength. The increased output and the improved retention actually allow you to save up to a whopping 25% electricity. 3. Quality. So now you know that super long life lighting gives you longer lifetime and consistent superior performance. But you also need to know that super long life has daylight rendering qualities and is guaranteed against flickering. This reduces the occurrence of indoor inflicted headaches, tiredness, and it ultimately ensures lower levels of absenteeism as it helps to build workplace motivation. Finally, we leave you with a few thoughts on the many hidden costs of lighting. Think of what physically happens when you need to change a light tube. Someone has to place an order, receive the delivery, and inspect the goods, and you also have to book and pay the invoice. Then you have to move the old tube down before you can begin installing the new tube. You also have to remember to change the starters along with the tube. And finally, you need to dispose the old incapacitated tube whilst living with the environmental consequences of using unsustainable standard lighting as you carelessly throw away the packaging. And now imagine going through this process 3 to 5 times instead of 1. Need we say more? Save the environment, save your wallet, and buy super long life lighting today.